Hello, Pablo Munoz here, and welcome to this workshop. I'm a concept and character artist, and I run the ZBrush Guides website and the 3D Concept Artist website. I spend a lot of my time exploring 2D and 3D tools, tweaking workflows, and learning different techniques. All of this in an effort to further refine my own process of creating original designs. And that's ultimately what I would like to share with you throughout these videos. A very interesting technique that I think is truly powerful. So this workshop won't be a specific tutorial on how to use the software, but more about my design process and the systematic approach that I follow in the production of a solid creature concept. I'm going to walk you through all the stages of the technique step by step and giving you practical advice to freely explore different design options and refine your creature's concept.